Hello everyone, welcome to Happy You, Better You. In the last few videos, we saw why it is important to prepare for the new year, and then we started the preparation work by setting the goals in 8 different key areas of life. Remember? So hope you have identified the top 3 goals in each of those 8 categories. If not, then do it sometime today. Take out time to do it. It'll help you achieve your goals. Remember this, okay? So what are we going to do today? Today we will create 4 lists. So this is going to be a fun activity. So make sure you have a pen and paper and start writing down. Let everything, whatever is there in your mind, come out. Just dump it on this paper. Alright, so what are the 4 lists that we are going to see today? First one is make a list of books that you want to read in 2021. See, if you are a good reader, then you already have few books in your mind. And I think you can complete this activity say within 5 minutes. You could just list down all the books that you want to read and you're done. But if you're anybody like me, then you need some time to figure out what are the different books you want to read. Let me tell you this. I used to read only textbooks. I used to watch videos, but never used to read books other than the textbooks. It all started 3 years back. Somebody suggested me to read my first book, which was It's Not About the Bike by Lance Armstrong. So if you are a good reader, then maybe you would have completed this book in say a week's time, or say maybe 10 days time. I took close to 1.5 to 2 months. So when I started reading that book, maybe I was a very slow reader, but I really enjoyed that process. So once I completed that, I already had another book in mind, and I wanted to read this 5 Point Someone. So what happened was my interest for reading, it started increasing, okay, and it became a habit. So every day when I'm having my first coffee, I love coffee. Yes, I love coffee. I have a book in hand. And that became a habit. So it's been 3 consistent years, and yes, I must admit I'm a slow reader still. But I feel so good that I read books and it really, improved my knowledge, it built my vocabulary, and most important of all, it made me creative. So when you are watching a video, you're just seeing what they are showing, right? But when you are reading, you use your own imagination, and I started loving that. And that's how my interest for reading just went up. And now there is no looking back. There's no looking back. Yes, I wish to read books at a little faster pace so that I can cover some of the most amazing books. I'm still, in that process. So, if you are anybody like me, don't hesitate. Just start. Pick that one book which you always wanted to read, or if you don't have any book in mind, then no worries. There must be someone in your circle who just love reading books, right? Just ask them and get started. Read 1 page at a time. Just don't give up. Read 1 page at a time. Slowly, and see. By the end of 2021, you'll be like, thank you, Radhika, thank you so much. You're going to say that. Okay, so here are some of the books that I really liked. Ikigai, Eat That Frog, and Amish. Those series, right, they are simply amazing. Immortals of Meluha, The Secret of the Nagas, Oath of the Vayuputras. Wow, I just went to a different world altogether when I was reading these books. You should also read Mrs. Funny Bones by Twinkle Khanna. That was interesting. And Wings of Fire by Dr. APJ. 5 Point Someone by Chetan Bhagat. Crush It by Gary, and Atomic Habits. So these are some of the books that I read and I really enjoyed it. Now what I'm going to do this year, the first book that I want to read is Harry Potter. I really want to read Harry Potter series in 2021. So that's my list. Okay, so here I want to mention one more thing. One of my close friend has created a beautiful podcast on the importance of reading. See, this is one of the habit of most successful people. So if you ask anybody, they would say that they read books. This improves the knowledge. Reading book is something that everyone should do. Everyone. You want to read in your native language, go ahead and do it. But read books. That's important. So make sure to check out his podcast. I will leave the link in the description box below. Alright, so now let's move on to the next list, which is movies list. So we need some fun time, right? So if you are up to date, then well and good. Still, there'll be some movies in your mind that you always wanted to watch. Fun time with your family. There are some movies which you would have watched, but you want your partner or kids to watch. So just make a list of those movies. You know why it is important? All these lists, right? It will be handy. You don't have to think. So when everybody is there, you will just instantly, you will not miss out that opportunity. You will feel so good about it later. That is one category of people. If you are like me, then I am not good with movies. So the whole world would have watched, say, one of the famous movies, and I think I'll be watching it, say 2 years or 3 years down the line. So I belong to that category. I must say here, okay, 2 of my friends helped me compile a list of some of the movies that I really should watch. Let me name a few here. So see if you can relate to it. Ujda Chaman. So it's a 2019 comedy movie, I guess. And then Dr. Dolittle. Special 26. Inside Out. This is one movie that I really enjoy watching. So this is my list, okay. I want to watch Interstellar, Inside Out, all these movies. But yeah, let me tell you one more thing. These days, especially from past 1.5 years, all I'm doing is watching Korean series. I have become a big fan of Korean series, Korean drama. So how many of you watch Korean drama? Just let me know in the comment section, and I have some amazing dramas for you, which you should not miss out on. For my friends who are listening to me right now, don't laugh. Yes, I'm still watching Korean series and I'm just loving it. So this is one of the things that I do when I'm, say, little sad or little down. I just watch, say, 10 minutes of a drama and it just instantly cheers my mind, cheers my mood. Oh, enough of K-drama. Alright, yeah, a word of caution. Don't get addicted. Don't get addicted. See, I have watched so many series, okay, but I have a time slot. I don't watch it while cooking or I don't watch it while doing anything else. And my dad, I think if he's listening to me right now, it's a message to him. Papa, no, don't get addicted to watching series. You should have a time slot when you watch, okay? Alright, I'm feeling good now. Okay, see, it instantly talking about it, I'm feeling so happy. Imagine how I feel when I'm watching it. Alright, let's get back to the topic. The third list that we are gonna create today is the places that you want to go. With this pandemic, I know there are few restrictions. So keep in mind, be careful and think about places that you want to go. If you wanted to visit your friend's place or weekend getaways, a picnic, nearby park, maybe things like this. Avoid long travels. That's all I will say. Yeah, so write down. What's harm in writing? Who knows, maybe by mid-2021 things are back to normal. Let's just hope for the best. Okay, and now the last list that we are going to create today is the bucket list. Bucket list, something that you want to do in this lifetime, something that you want to do before you die. That's what it means, right? Bucket list. Again, write, be creative. Write down whatever comes to your mind. Say if you haven't tried yoga, just try yoga. Or if you want to go on a meditation camp, run a marathon, skydiving. So everyone is different. Everyone will have their own bucket list. Just list down. Don't worry whether you would be able to complete it in 2021 or not. Just list down. Just dump it on this paper. Okay? So these were the 4 lists that I wanted to share with you all. Let's just review once. We saw about the book list, the movies list, the places to go list, and finally the bucket list. So make some time, and if you want to discuss with your spouse or your mommy, your daddy, your kid, whoever, your friends, so take some time and do it as a fun activity and create this list. I'm sure it's gonna be fun. Hope I added some value to your life. So enjoy your day. Make sure to set your goals and have these lists ready. They are gonna help you in 2021. With that said, signing off, this is Radhika, a software engineer by profession and a happiness coach by passion. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.